Good day, guys. Cameron Sillings out here at Heritage Ford in Corden, Indiana, where, as always, I do live here locally. Today, we are taking a look at this brand new 2019 Ford Mustang GT. Got the 5.0 engine in it. Really good looking vehicle. We got the black hood on this one. Over here, we're going to take a look at the window stickers. This here is a GT, and this here has the black accent package. So you get these blacked out wheels, you get the spoiler, and then you get the black roof here. So really good looking Mustang. This is like the best looking Mustang I've seen us have. But we're going to take this thing for a spin real quick. Alright. Let's get situated. Just put gas in this thing, put premium fuel in it. So this thing is all ready to go for one of you guys to come down here and test drive it and hopefully buy it. Get you a nice Mustang right before the summer starts. Man, listen to that. If that don't get your juices flowing, I don't know what does. Man, this thing sounds so good, so mean. We'll get back here on an open road where we can get on a little bit more, but I got to get some AC going. Oh, I'm in neutral. There we go. Alright, we'll get on this little straight stretch here and we'll open her up a little bit, see what she has. But the main thing is just the sound. I mean, these things sound so good. Oh, dang. Let's slow down. We don't want to get too carried away, but got to put 60 on there real quick. I tell you, this thing is really impressive. I think this will be the Mustang for you. We do have a few others in right now. Looks like we got 2 more, but if we don't have what you're looking for, we can certainly we can order one or locate you one. So come on in, feel free to take a look around, and hopefully we'll find the right Mustang for you. Thanks for riding along, guys.